In this video, you'll learn how to teach yes or no questions to a child with autism using visual support. Many children with autism benefit from visual support to help them understand questions and know which words to use to respond. One way is to provide visual supports, like pointing or showing items while asking a yes or no question. This helps the child understand what's being asked. Using a body movement, like a head nod or thumbs up, for yes, and a head shake or thumbs down for no, is also important to offer the child information based on what the answer to the question should be. These visual support gestures can be faded over time. Once the child learns to respond consistently on their own, you can take them away. Start with a simple yes or no question that the child is interested in and has a preference for. For example, you might start by offering food or toy items that you know the child loves and asking a simple question like, "Do you want blank?" while holding out the item. Remember, if it's your kiddo or any other kiddo, offer lots of support when first starting practice so that the child expresses the answer and is excited to learn yes or no questions. When teaching a yes or no question to a child with autism, it's important to start with questions that you already know the child's likely answer to. So start with simple questions and use a visual signal to represent yes as you practice. Once you're seeing some momentum with the child, answering yes with little to no support, start working on questions that you know the child would say no to. Although you want to start practicing these complex skills with a good amount of support at the start, it's super important for autistic kids that there's a plan to help them respond more independently early on in the learning process. You can fade your support over time. Once the child has demonstrated consistent success with the simple question, "Do you want blank?" without support from you. Autistic children benefit from learning a new skill using the principle of repetition with variety. You can add variety to the practice by changing the questions you ask, offering more complex questions over time, and changing the structure of your questions to help the child gain flexible understanding. In summary, use visual support gestures to teach yes or no questions, start with simple questions, and start with questions you already know the child's likely answer to. Fade your support over time, and then add variety to your practice.